we start by going down and.
Bro, are you okay? What's wrong with you? Just have some coffee. This is what happens.
Oh, fucking shit.
I poured my blood out for this coffee, and you do this to me. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna take you through kind of what we eat in a day, show you each meal, how much of, and we're gonna split the calories and macros, show you everything. And yeah, first meal, staple of every single morning is coffee and protein bar. Victoria, what do we do before we start eating?
Think about eating. So we get up, we go to the bathroom. Who doesn't go to the bathroom first thing in the morning? Then we weigh ourselves just to see our progress throughout. So it's the best way to do it when you're in the morning without any water in your system. After that, we crack on with a glass of water just to hydrate ourselves, wake up a little bit, and then we just, of course, starting to get ready, dress up, brush our teeth.
And then we usually like head out for a walk.
It's roughly usually at 9-10 o'clock we get on.
Sometimes we do it fasted, sometimes we'll have a coffee and a protein bar beforehand. It just really depends on the structure of the day, I suppose.
Yeah, it depends. Like, we go on a walks and it's just like we do a brainstorm and stuff, so we kind of set the goals for the day and what we want to do by the end of the day. It's just easier because if you wake up and you don't have a plan, you're just gonna walk around the house and wonder what to do. So yeah, well, today we decided to have a coffee first and then we're gonna head out for our walk because we have some shopping to do for breakfast.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We'll see you then.
Okay, first of all, we were meant to be going for a walk right after coffee. However,
that didn't work very well.
It is Sunday, and we are a little bit sleepy at that time. And
Basically, Tesco is closed, and we didn't realize, so we done some work in the morning instead. Victoria marinated the chicken, and I did some marketing research.
now it's exactly 11 o'clock. We're hitting our walk, and after we finish, we're gonna go get some shopping done, and we're gonna have our breakfast. This one?
How much is this one?
69.
Oh, damn. This one? This one?
50-50, I think.
Yeah? It is what it is. The reason why we're getting this thick bread is we're gonna make some French toast.
I'm more interested what's behind you.
Of course. No, we're gonna make healthy egg white French toast.
Tesco bread.
Tesco bread.
So
Timing, mate. Timing.
we managed to go in without the queues.
Is that everything now?
Yeah. We needed some of these strawberries. I think Iceland has like the best strawberries ever. And they do for £3. They're super sweet and it's perfect for French toast.
Oh, yes. Doesn't matter, no?
Okay. So my one is with honey, and because I just prepare honey rather than 0 calorie spread, which Oscar went for. But yeah, the strawberries, as I mentioned, they are super sweet itself, so it's really good. Now let's go ahead and eat it. It's 1:30.
Yeah, actually this is very late. We didn't think it's gonna take that long, but filming and walking around shopping, it took way too long, so I think we deserve this now.
Yeah, it's time. So we finished our lunch. It's nearly 2 o'clock. We decided to go for another coffee because we feel a little bit drowsy. I think it's the
Yeah.
weather at the moment during this quarantine. It was fine all this time until like last week or two. It started to hit us a little bit, and we just feel
I
like
think the worst thing was when we were all hoping for 4th of July. And then we found out the news, and since then it's just been really bad. I mean, it's been building up for some time already. You know, for the first month too, you're kind of excited. You go do your outdoor workouts, but it's not the same. I still really miss the gym.
there are things that you can do like skipping and hits and all that sort of exercises, but they're not really for muscle building. So for myself, like I feel like
Cardio's no problem, you know. Cardio's no
Cardio's
problem. It's
good.
probably even better outdoors, to be honest. You know, we got into like a lot of running and skipping lately, and
walking
a
as
lot
well.
of walking, so that's definitely improved. But in terms of just muscle gain and resistance training,
Well, we use resistant bands, of course. This keeps us on going, but eventually it just comes to an end. You can't.
you just want to do some squats and deadlifts, you know, and just do a bench press. You just miss these exercises. It's not the same just doing like a bands or push-ups and stuff, or I don't know,
Yeah.
walking lunges, you know.
Anyways, I think for about an hour or so, Oscar's gonna do some work upstairs on the computer, and I will be preparing our dinner because we're going to make a chicken wraps. So I gotta make tzatziki sauce, and also we need to fry the chicken, make it ready.
And make some fries as well, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's a fancy one. You'll see that soon.
Cool, guys. So we're hitting 4 o'clock now, and Oscar is about to make his extra meal of the day. As you know, he eats pretty much 1,000 calories more than me. So I will just skip my meal now, and I'll have my dinner and a little snack afterwards. So yeah, Oscar, what are you making now?
I'll make some porridge. It's gonna be my meal.
What are you gonna top it up with?
So I've got some almond milk here that works really well, and then we're gonna add some whey isolate and some cacao powder, maybe some seeds, maybe some frozen fruit, and yeah, that'll do the trick.
And how much calories you think that is?
It's usually about 600 calories, I'd say. Decent amount of protein, decent amount of carbs. Usually I have this like maybe earlier in the day when I work out later, but yeah, we've been really hung up with work lately, so my meals have been pushed a little bit backwards, but it is what it is.
Just gonna toast the tortilla. I got my chicken. I'm gonna weigh out certain amount of chicken because I want to calculate everything correctly. I have onion, plum tomatoes, some French fries, and this is our tzatziki right here. So there's a cucumber, it's garlic, it's natural yogurt, and then you just put salt, pepper, some oregano. You can add oil, but I rather not add because it's less calories, and to be honest, I don't see a difference in taste anyways. Beautiful. Cool, so it's now 7:30
I have been waiting for this all day. Literally, this day dragged out so long. First time recording something like that, and yeah, we weren't really prepared for how many shots we need to take, and obviously we're still exploring on how to frame the shots and everything. So it's been a long day, but long awaited, amazing, healthy tortilla. Yeah, about 450 calories. Yeah, something like that. 400,
I would
450
say
calories.
put 500 calories if you use the mint sauce.
Not
So-
really, not really. I've added everything, and 2 of them were 900 calories. Usually, towards the end of the day, we like to treat ourselves a little bit. So we just have a look at what's left, kind of our macros, what the best fits. And it seemed like I needed a bit of protein and quite a fair bit of fats and carbs. So I'm just gonna finish off the rest of this chocolate ice cream we've got, and I've got a handful of nuts, mixed nuts.
Yeah, and I just made myself 120 grams of protein yogurt. So I got some granola here just to add some carbs and strawberries. And then I'm gonna eat 1 banana. And I got a little dessert for myself, Alpenbar as well. It's like a protein one, has like 6.5 grams of protein, so it's also helps me with protein intake. And I'm gonna share a little bit of that ice cream with Oscar. As you know, I didn't eat the meal when he had his porridge, so I have some extra calories, and I think I like that because then I go to sleep and I don't feel hungry.
Okay guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. We're gonna wrap it up here. I hope you've enjoyed this full day of eating. We're gonna smack these calories somewhere here in the corner so you can have a look for myself and Victoria. And yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. For the rest of the day, we're just gonna chill. Victoria needs to make some donuts
For tomorrow.
for tomorrow. We've got some orders on our website, so we gotta get those done. And yeah, don't forget to comment down below as well if you've got any questions or what you think of the video. Peace out.